everyone, I'm Sally from Recipe Development and we're here to make a macaroni carbonara today. This is a really quick, easy recipe that you can whiz up midweek, before, after training, you know, work, all that sort of stuff. So here we go. Okay, so we've got this beautiful TM7 screen and it is so great, like the visuals are amazing on this, and you can just scroll through your recipe this way. You can see all your ingredients, you get to see all your utensils and things like that, your methods here, your tips, something you should look at on recipes. Tips can be very helpful for you before you start. And then what also we've got are these 3 beautiful pictures. So with each recipe, you'll have 2 pictures and a video that's going to give you, you know, that little bit of inspiration of like, yep, yum, you know, I'm about to cook this. So yeah, really lovely feature of the new TM7. All right, so we're just going to press start here. And this is guided cooking, so we're just going to move through the steps. And this is our little digital twin here, our image, what we call with the TM7. So I'm just going to lift up the lid, tears straight away to 0, which is great. And we're just going to pop in our Parmesan. So pop in the Parmesan, lid goes on. And we're just going to give it a tick. Next step, and we're going to allow it to grate. So it shows us that the lid's locked and we're grating. We'll take off our lid, okay, and we're going to transfer our stuff into the bowl. So this is, yeah, such a quick and easy recipe. It's really yummy. I guess if you don't like bacon, you could probably replace it with mushrooms or something like that. And you'll notice on the TM7 the new beautiful visuals that come through with each step, so that's something lovely. We're going to pop in our onion, okay, and we're going to pop in our bacon rashers. Use any bacon you like, shortcut, streaky. We'll tick those off, which is great. In case you get distracted in between, you know what you're up to. And some extra virgin olive oil, that goes in. Lid goes on. It's mirrored again, what we're doing. It's telling us, okay, we're just going to chop this. So quiet, so good. One of the things I definitely love in our busy, noisy lives. And now we're just going to leave it leaving it in the bowl, and we're just going straight into the saute with the high heat, and off we go. All right, guys, so we're cooking away here in the middle of the saute, but in case you are really on the hop and on the run and you haven't had a chance to prepare your ingredients, you just can scroll down and you can see all the other bits and pieces that are coming and what you have to do, so you can get them ready while this is happening. And then when you need to go back to the step that you're on, you just go back to current step. Voila, we're back there again. Okay, our sauteing has finished, so we're on to our next step now. And we're just going to lift off our lid. Ooh, it's looking great, it's looking beautiful. We've got a bit of high heat, bit of color there. All of our bacon is ready. We're going to add our cream. So we just need 200 grams of cream. Someone kindly measured this. Oh, it's a little bit more. Oh, well, never mind. But all the more creamier. Can't be a bad thing, right? Oh, and it's ticked it off for me. It knows that we've put the right amount in. Now we're going for 450. It's teared it back to 0 again also. So good. Okay, beautiful. And that's, you can see here it's going, yep, you've put that in, winning. Bit of sea salt, in that goes. We're going to tick that one off. And obviously you can tick it off as quickly as you want to tick it off. And then we're going to add our dried macaroni. In we go, just like that, so easy. Okay. And our lid's going back on, and now we're just going to cook it for the time that we that the pasta packet basically has said. So we're going to go in here, we're going to set our time. We're going to do 9 minutes. So I've just hit the 10. I'm going to scroll down to the 9. It's the quickest way to get to the 9. And start. Off we go. And it'll be ready soon. All right, so we're mid-cooking here. The great thing about the TM7 is that in the middle of cooking, we can lift the lid and have a little bit of a look. Look at that. So we can lift it off in the middle of cooking, have a look. There will be recipes that you'll see down the track. They'll ask you to give it a bit of a stir, and we can do that. And that's the great thing about the 7. Okay, and then we're just going to pop that lid back on. And it starts again, all by itself. Okay, so our pasta is pretty much ready. We're just going to add in our egg now, and then our cheese. So we're just going to take it off. At this stage, it still looks quite liquidy. That's okay, because the pasta is going to absorb some of that liquid. We don't want it to be stodgy, right? And now, whoopsie. Now we're just going to go to the next one. We're going to add some egg, just like this. And just quickly combine it, just give it a quick whiz. Doesn't have to be anything too crazy. Popping our lid on again, another 2 minutes. And then we'll be tossing some cheese through and eating it for lunch. All right, we have finished the recipe. So our beautiful carbonara is here. Now, usually you would pour this straight into the dish and then pour the cheese over it, but I like to pour a little bit of cheese into the bowl now. Keep a little bit for the top. Just give it a light mix through, because that way you don't mess up your whole lovely plate. Although if you're on the run and the hop and you're off to sport and things like that, none of those things will probably matter. So that and a nice side salad is a very quick meal. So it's still got a little bit of liquid to it and the integrity of the pasta is still there. Pop a bit more cheese. Lovely and cheesy. And a bit of cracked pepper. Dinner's done. There we go, guys, all done. Dinner's made. Jump onto Cookie Do. There's lots of inspiration there for quick and easy meals. Go on and have a look.